What they are and how they're formed. Polar ice caps are dome-shaped sheets of ice found near the North and South poles. The polar ice caps contain the majority of the Earth's freshwater supply. Polar ice caps form because the high latitude regions receive less energy in the form of solar radiation from the sun than equatorial regions. Earth's polar ice caps have changed dramatically over the last 1,200 years. Seasonal variations of the ice caps take place during solar energy absorption as the planet or the moon revolves around the sun. In geologic timescales, the ice caps may grow or shrink due to climate change. Why are they shrinking? Recently, the average temperature at the poles have begun to rise due to environmental changes. As temperatures continue to rise, the polar ice caps start to melt and break apart. Scientists say that the melting trend is part of the overall global warming that is caused by burning coal, gas, and oil. The burning of fossil fuels traps gases that cause the Earth's temperature to increase. While some scientists suggest that the abundance of ice caps in certain areas in Greenland and Antarctica will not melt due to increased snowfall, hope is slim. Global warming is caused by excessive quantities of greenhouse gases. The leading cause of polar ice cap melting is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature above what it should be without its atmosphere. If a planet's atmosphere contains radioactively active gases such as greenhouse gases, it will radiate in all directions.
Ice caps are important because they work as temperature regulators for the Earth. It is important for the caps to stay frozen because the white snow can reflect a large amount of sunlight back into space. With no ice caps, the overall temperature of Earth increases. In other words, the polar ice caps act as Earth's temperature regulators, keeping it at a nice temperature. With polar ice caps melting comes increased rates of global warming. Other effects of the ice caps melting are increased risks of tropical storms, flooding, and hurricanes during storm seasons. Are we able to stop the ice caps from melting? Many scientific and environmental organizations believe it is possible. By recycling, reducing the use of fossil fuels, and conserving and restoring the tropical rainforest. This is one of the greatest debates of our century, with either side showing scientific evidence to support their studies. You and your kids can also help at home by doing simple things, such as planting a tree, using less hot water, eating greens, walking more, and using less heat and air conditioning.